On Maple Hollow Farm, a bright dawn spills across the fields as a feisty rooster leads a sleepy crowd to breakfast. Today the camera follows Jasper the donkey and Mina the mule as they orchestrate a playful barnyard parade through puddles. A sudden shower turns into a comedy of splashes while the farmer improvises chores, turning rain into recipes for resilience. The chickens gossip from the coop as the dog herds tools back into the shed, and everyone learns patience. By sunset, even the shy kittens join the glow, proving daily toil can bloom into laughter, learning, and lasting bonds.